Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to appeal a disabled Facebook page. So the Facebook organization disabled their page because it violates community standards. They forbid any groups or individuals who propagate or encourage hate from appearing on services in order to protect the safety of their community. So, in case that you encounter that, what you're going to do here is you just have to follow my instruction and steps. Attached below in the description, I have added there a link, and all you have to do is to tap that one. This is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to download this. And then the next thing to do after you have downloaded it is you have to go to your manage extensions. Okay, go to settings and go to manage extensions. This is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do is you have to extract the file after you have downloaded this file right here. You have to click this, go to download, and then extract this. Now, drag the folder or file to the extension like this one, and this is what it looks like. Always make sure that you have turned on this developer mode. After that, you can now pin this. And then what you're going to do next is to click, and this is what it looks like. Facebook page protest is disabled. All you have to do is to copy the link of your page. Okay, let me go to my page first, copy this link, and then paste it to that site. Okay, so what you're going to do is to copy and then paste the page link here and then tap this starts appeal. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, you can go back to your page and see if it solved the problem. So basically, that's how you appeal a disabled Facebook page. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.